Hey, what's going on, y'all? Yeah, I definitely got a little more heads or tails of this. Of course, two of the wires actually broke right off in the connectors right there. So I can resolder them in just on the board. And, you know, I can get some connectors for that and do it right. But, yeah, I'm just going to hardwire it in because, yeah, after this is done, I mean, it is what it is. These things were terrible. But, yeah, a lot of these were right on the connector side, either on this side or the frequency counter on the old beautiful 148F GTL. So let me get those things soldered up and see if we can get a full frequency display on this thing. All right, that was the trouble. So we just hardwired it directly to that instead of using the connector. And yeah, I can replace those down the line. The wires in there with the color, so it's easy to, if you need to, two wires to pull out the frequency counter. And we're back. Here it is. And we're back in both regards on the video and with that display. Oh my God, what's going on there? Yeah, I think we have some loose connections. That's the next step, because as soon as you tap it, everything kind of goes all right. So yeah, that's another thing. But yeah, don't be scared to, oh boy, there it is again. See, we got a loose connection. No surprise on these boards. There we go. Definitely wouldn't be good for mobile. Oh, there it is again. I'm hoping the slot machine, we got quarters coming out the bottom here. But I got to set this up again anyway, but at least we have the counter set up properly. Now we just have to work on the main board. Now these, don't be scared of these. I tell you, you know, I had trouble with this one, but never had trouble with my actual nice and beautiful shape unit here. So this 148F is in great shape. Frequency display always works, very good shape. But yeah, the radio that this was had very used faceplate and everything to it. So yeah, if you do have one, don't be scared to open it up and take a look and see. But yeah, now we have to go inside here and find out. I think it's this little cable. Oh, it's something. It's something. It's something. That's the next video. See, we're tapping around again. Oh boy, some loose parts. But that's another video. At least we have it operational on the frequency counter display, displaying everything. Just now getting it all to work again. Fun times always with these 148Fs. But don't be scared to get into your radio unless you have one of these terrible radios. All right, 73. We'll see you in the next video. Sorry it's not much content on this because, yeah, now I have to make it work. Oh, maybe if I just keep my finger on there all the time, we can talk. Oh, boy. 73, y'all. We'll see you in the next one.